Hi guys, it's Elissa. Thank you for watching my video today. And today's video I will be making pickle chili. In Cambodia we call it churut mate. This was a request from someone a while back and I didn't have a chance to make it until 2 days ago. My mom, she decided to make soup for the family to enjoy, so I thought it would be a good timing to do this video. And if you've never had pickled chili before, it's actually it's pretty good. It has a nice sweet, sour, salty, and spicy taste to it. And we normally use this as a condiment and put on top of our rice noodle soup. And you can use regular chili or jalapeno, it's your choice. But in this video, I'm using chili serrano. My brother did like this recipe. He came, enjoy the soup, and he put like 2 scoops of it, and he said it was very delicious. So I thought this was a good recipe to share with you guys. Also, I just want to say thank you to my viewer who have asked me to do this this video. So let's get started. In the pot, I have 1 liter of water. And then I'm going to put in the vinegar. And then I'm going to add in the salt. And then the sugar. And stir the liquid until the sugar and the salt is dissolved. So the water comes to a boil. I'm just going to turn off the stove now. And I'm just going to let this cool down for 15 minutes. While your water cool down, just go ahead and clean and cut the chili. Before you cut it, make sure you clean it and then dry it. And then you're just gonna stuff it in a jar. After 15 minutes, just go ahead and pour in the water into the jar. Wait for the liquid to cool down first before you put on the lid. And there you go, my pickle chili is so after done. 1 or 2 days, it's ready. I like to eat mine with noodle, so here I'm gonna put some of it, and it has a nice sweet, salty, and sour taste to it. And I like to eat my noodle with extra spicy. Okay guys, so that's it for our video for learning how to do pickle chili. And if you like my video, don't forget to press like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, thank you and Jabrit Balia.